Avoid a running bond pattern with large format rectangular porcelain tiles because it increases lippage and undermines tile stability on substrates where tiles exceed 12 inches. Large format tiles need planar substrates and precise joint control to perform. When you lay these tiles in a running bond, you are creating long, unsupported edges that concentrate edge loads and reveal small height differences between adjacent tiles as lippage. To prevent that, use a staggered pattern with no more than 1/3 overlap so that seams do not line up across multiple courses. Widen grout joints to 3/16ths of an inch to allow for grout material to compress and accommodate slight variances in tile size and installation movement. Follow the tile manufacturer layout recommendations for trowel notch size and adhesive open time to achieve full mortar coverage under each tile. Buttering the back of large tiles is acceptable for extra bedding where recommended, but check that you can maintain a flat plane before setting multiple tiles. Common mistakes include keeping the same running bond plan used for small subway tiles, which causes stepped offsets and amplified lippage. Rework the layout into a quarter length or 1/3 overlap stagger and check every few rows with a straight edge. Another issue is using narrow joints which hide alignment errors and restrict grout performance. Open joints to 3/16ths of an inch and use a quality cementitious grout with proper joint depth. A third problem is poor mortar coverage from incorrect trowel size or letting adhesive skin over. Match trowel notch to tile back profile and refill adhesive as needed to maintain contact, so you get at least 90% coverage on floors and full coverage on walls if required by the manufacturer. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who have recent project photos and rate histories, so we help people find professionals suited to large format tile work. We also support contractors seeking new work and a place to exchange tips in our discussion community where we share layout strategies and product experiences.